second grade. Today we're going to do 2 lessons in one. We're talking about rounding to the nearest dollar. So you might want to watch me today as only helping a little bit on lesson 153, and tomorrow we'll be helping a lot in lesson 154. So we've been talking about rounding before, and we've been talking about how rounding means making the end a 0. When we talked about rounding to the nearest 10, we looked at whether we should go up or down. And remember, we decided that anything that was 4 and lower, you go down, and anything that's 5 and higher, you go up. So if you have the number 17 and you're rounding that to the nearest 10, 17 is between the tens of 10 and 20 when we're counting. And so we look at the 7. The 7 is in the higher bracket, so the 17, if it says to round it, it goes up to 20. So 17 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 20. Well, today we're talking about money. And when you're rounding money and it says rounding to the nearest dollar, if you look at your page for lesson 153, it's page number 312, there's a cute little owl on a branch, and he says, money rounded to the nearest dollar has no cents. So if it's asking you to round to the nearest dollar, it's going to have no cents. So the first thing you want to do on page 312 is you're going to look under at each of those numbers, and you're going to decide, is it rounded to the nearest dollar? Because if it is rounded to the nearest dollar, then it's going to have no cents. So I don't have the bubbles underneath mine on the board. I'm just going to circle them, but you need to fill in the bubbles under yours on page 312, okay? So the first one they give you is $2.02. Is that rounded to the nearest dollar? Are there no cents there? Nope, it's not. So we're not going to fill in the bubble under this one. Okay, what about $7? Is that rounded to the nearest dollar? Yes, it is, because there's no cents. So we're going to fill in the circle under the $7. What about $23? Is $23 rounded to the nearest dollar? Are there no cents? Yes, it is. It's rounded to the nearest dollar, so we're going to fill in under that one. Okay, the next one is $17 or $14.70. Is that one rounded to the nearest dollar? Remember, we know it's rounded to the nearest dollar if there's no cents. No, it's not, so we're not going to fill in that one. Okay, what about $230? Is it rounded to the nearest dollar? Are there any cents? Nope, no cents, so it's not rounded to the nearest, so it is rounded to the nearest dollar. No cents means that it's rounded to the nearest dollar, so we're going to circle this one. Okay, now if you need to pause me and watch me again tomorrow, or if you want to watch the whole thing tomorrow, or you can pull out tomorrow's math page and work a little bit ahead. I'm going to be talking about page 314. It might be good to watch me 2 times, and then you'll really understand this concept because it can be tricky. So when we have dollars, the dollars are always between 2 rounded off dollars. So on this number line, I start with $2 and I end with $3. And any other money that comes between that goes between those 2 numbers. So $2.22 would be right here. $2.65 would be right here. They're all between. Every money that has cents comes between 2 whole dollars, 2 rounded off dollars. So we're going to take a look at this. Now, when you're asked to round to the nearest dollar, you need to look. Here's how you decide. Remember, in the tens, we looked at 4 and lower and 5 and higher. Well, it's the same thing. Here, if it's 40, and actually technically that's 49 cents and lower, anything 49 cents and lower gets rounded to the lower dollar. Anything that's 50 cents to 99 cents gets rounded up to the highest dollar. So let's take a look on page 314, number 1. They've done the first one for you, but we're going to look at it anyways, okay? So the first one they give you is $4.15. And they ask, is $4.15 between what two whole dollars? Okay, so on a number line like this, $4.15 would be between $4 and $5. And see, they've given that to you. They've given you those two numbers on your page. So then it asks, which one are you supposed to round it to? 15 cents. So let's come up here. Where does 15 cents fall? Is it between 1 cent and 49 cents? Or is it between 50 cents and 99 cents? Well, if you answered correctly, you would have said 1 cent and 49 cents. So this one is actually closer to $4. So we're going to circle the $4. They've actually already done that for you. Now we get to do one on our own. B. $2.88. What $2 is $2.88 between? Well, if we made a number line like this and started with a whole dollar on that side and a whole dollar on the other side, you would see that $2.88 is between $2 and $3. Okay, if we made it, and actually it fits perfectly on this number line that we have right here. So if we look there, now we're going to look at which one it's closer to. We're going to circle it, okay? $2.88. We're looking at the 88 cents. Is 88 cents over here in the purple or over here in the green? Are we going to go lower or higher? Yes, the 88 cents is in the higher. It's in the green. It's somewhere in this side. So if we're rounding it to the nearest dollar, we're going to go with the higher number. So we're going to circle this $3 right here. Okay, now we have $5.41. $5.41. We're looking at the coins. 41. Okay, first we got to decide what $2 it's going to be between. $5.41. Well, we start with the lower dollar. It's between $5 and $6. If we made a number line like this one up here, it'd be between $5 and $6. Now we're going to look at the 41. Is the 41 cents in the lower bracket or is it in the higher bracket? Are we going to go down or are we going to go up? Yeah, we're going to go down. 41 cents is in the lower, so we would round this one down. And so we're going to circle the $5. It's closer to $5 than it is to $6. Okay, now look over at number 2, and we're going to do that one together also. So it says mark the correct round dollar. So we're looking at $3.99. It gives us the $2 that it's between, $3 and $4, but which one is it closest to? We're looking at the 99 cents. Is it closer here or is it closer here? It's closer to the higher one, so we're going to circle the $4 because that's correct. So you're going to fill in the bubble under the $4. Okay, B has $7.50. They're trying to trick you. It's between $7 and $8, but we have to choose one. Which one is it closer to? So we look at the 50 cents. Is 50 cents in the lower section or is 50 cents in the higher section? It's in the higher section, so we're going to circle the $8. It's closer to $8 than it is to $7. Now let's take a look at number 3. I didn't write this one on the board because there was too much to write. So, but look at number 3, okay? You have a little flyer of the man fishing and it says sale on it. There's things that are for sale in this store, okay? We have a fishing rod that's $7.54, a canteen for drinking water, which is $5.40, and hiking boots, which are $23.12. So we're looking at number A, and it asks us, is the cost of the fishing rod closer to $7 or $8? Okay, so look over at the fishing rod, $7.54. We're looking at that 54 cents. Is 54 cents gonna go lower? Are we gonna go with the lower dollar? Or is 54 cents higher? Are we gonna go with the higher dollar? You should have answered higher. So on that answer line, you're gonna write the number $8 because it's closer to $8. So the correct answer is $8. Now let's look at B. What is $5.40 rounded to the nearest dollar? Okay, so we're looking at that canteen, $5.40. What is it rounded to the nearest dollar? That means we're gonna have no cents, only dollars. So $5.40, where is 40? Is 40 over here on this side? Or is 40 over here on this side? Are we going with the smaller dollar or the bigger dollar? Yes, it's over here. So $5.40 would be between $5 and $6. So because it's in the smaller, we're going to go with $5. So your answer for B should be $5. If we round $5.40 to the nearest dollar, we're going to round it down to $5 because it's smaller. Okay, last one. It says, about how many dollars do the hiking boots cost? Now it says the word about. About means it doesn't want the exact answer. It wants just a rounded answer. It wants a really good guess. Remember when we were talking about estimating? It wants a really good guess. So we're going to look at the price on the sale flyer of the boots. $23.12. We're going to round that to the nearest dollar. So we have no cents. So we're looking at the 12 cents. Which one does 12 cents fall into? It falls into the lower category. So we're not going to make that $24. We're going to be $23. Those boots cost about $23. Make sure you have the cents in there and you write no cents. So when you're writing it, you're going to write $23 and no cents. That shows that it's rounded to the nearest dollar.